New to Maidenhead Aquatics online for the 2021 pond season, we thought we'd take a leaf out of the bedding plant trades book. Why not supply plants from the nursery as plugs? These young plants would usually be potted into the 1 litre size that we sell in store, which then need to be moved up into suitable baskets to reach their full potential. Like daffodil or tulip bulbs, plug plants can be planted directly into larger containers, which means unrestricted growth from the outset. This head start means the young plants mature faster and give better results. Planting guide for Marginals, Oxygenators and Waterlilies. You'll need your plants, an appropriately sized pond basket, aquatic soil and washed gravel. You might want to add some specialist aquatic slow-release fertiliser tablets for best results, especially for greedy feeders such as water lilies. Potting up your aquatic plants. Unpack your newly arrived plants carefully, taking care not to damage them. Dispose of the packaging, recycling wherever possible. Lightly soak or spray plants if they appear dry. Fill a suitably sized aquatic plant basket to about 2/3 full with specialist compost. Most baskets don't require a liner to retain the soil, but add this first if needed. Place the plant in the centre of the basket. Water lilies should be placed in the corner of the basket with the growing point, where the leaves emerge, facing the centre of the basket. Place any slow-release fertiliser in the pot near to the roots. Gently fill around the plant with more aquatic soil to 2 or 3 centimetres from the top of the basket. Lightly firm the soil, taking care not to damage the plant. The crown of the plant should sit just proud of the top of the basket. Sprinkle your washed aquatic gravel around the plant until the basket is full to prevent soil disturbance. Gently submerge your aquatic plant in a bucket of pond water to rinse off any soil that could otherwise cloud the pond. You're now ready to place your aquatic plant in the pond. Always introduce new plants destined for deep water in stages. Lower the plant to the desired depth after about 4 weeks. Remember, water lilies don't like moving water or having their leaves splashed. Position these plants away from waterfalls, fountains and pumps. Maintenance. Trim decaying dead foliage in late autumn or early spring and add to your compost heap. Always cut at least 1 to 2 centimetres above the crown. Feed marginals with slow-release fertiliser tablets in spring for the season ahead by pushing them into the soil, especially if they're not going to be repotted. Feed water lilies in spring and early summer. Repot your aquatic plants into a larger basket every year or 2. Once at maximum size, most pond plants can be divided like other herbaceous perennials.